Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the mobilemechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point, working on a Toyota Sienna. I just wanted to show you something. This is part of the maintenance that you could do to make your car run a lot better. This is the throttle body, and I'm doing it one hand, so just be mindful of me. If you look inside the throttle body and you can see the outer rings, it looks like Saturn. That's what I call it. That's all carb. If you look in the back of the throttle body, it's actually worse. That actually will keep your car from idling correctly. So what you do is you get the right carb cleaner. You don't use the old kind. It has to have this picture right here or you'll destroy that throttle body. And all you do is just spray some on the rag, and I'm doing it one hand, so be mindful, patient with me. This will actually help your car run better. So I pulled it off because I knew the back of it was going to be worse. So I just want to do it right the first time. And you can see all that black gunk right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it, and you can see how black this rag is. So I'm going to get it all the way shining again, front and back, to do this right. That carb will actually keep your car from idling correctly because it can't close all the way. When you hit the gas there, the computer tells the throttle to open and close on this butterfly valve. If there's too much carb built up, it actually will keep it just enough open, and it won't idle correctly unless you're hitting the gas on it. So this will help your car run a lot better. The second thing you can do, your mass airflow sensor is going to be right near where your air filter is at. So you have to have the proper mixture, and it's sitting right there, a little pinnacle. It's silver. So what I'm going to do, you can only clean it one way. This will help your car run a lot better. You take, I'm looking for it now. You take the mass airflow sensor cleaner only. Let's see, I have it somewhere around here. Whew, it's very cold. It's January and I'm freezing. Here we are. You only take the mass airflow sensor and cleaner and do it. So I'm going to do it right now, and you spray it inside where it's at, and you're going to clean that off. Then you let it dry, which will be probably 15 minutes, but I'm working on the car, so I don't have to worry about it. But you just spray inside of it. You can also take it out, but this is the easiest way of doing it. And you just spray it in there like I'm doing right now. If that is not working correctly, your car is going to do a lot of shaking because due to the fact it cannot mix the air and fuel properly. So the air is coming in from outside, coming into your air filter, going to the sensor, and the computer is going by that to see if it is the proper air coming in, so it can mix it for the fuel and have your car to run correctly and smoothly. So these two things right now that I just did will make your car run a lot easier, and it only takes about 30-40 minutes to do it, and it will save you a lot of money versus you buying the whole parts. I'm on your side, and I want to make sure that I do everything I can to help you guys. I'm on your guys' side. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.